How to use AI to start a Fiverr business. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can use AI to start a Fiverr business. So let's get into it. Now there are three businesses that I have for you guys that you can go ahead and start as of right now using three AI tools that can help you scale your business as well. So the first one is a very popular and simple plan. It's called social media posting or social media manager, whatever you want to call it. Here you will be able to create social media posts, and over here as you can see people are charging hundreds and hundreds of dollars for their services. Now, the pricing of these services depends on the type of service you provide. If you provide high quality posts, high quality designs, then of course you can charge more. But if you're not that good, you're like, intermediate, then you of course you don't have to charge $100. You can charge like 50, 70, maybe $30, and that should be enough to get you going, because a lot of people are starting out over here. Now you have to really, really stand out, because you have to offer really, really or great service in order to reach the top. So keep that in mind. Now over here, as you can see, this is the tool that I have for you. It's called adcreative.ai. Now what this tool allows you to do is it allows you to create ads for different types of companies, and a lot of people are using it, and it's all AI, and it is free, but there is a pricing plan which I would recommend if you get, because with one post you can pay the whole monthly bill of this over here. So if I click on the pricing, you can see there are four plans, but all you need is the first and the second one. So try it out for the free trial. If it works out, if you like it, you can just upgrade it to $21 per month over here. And of course, if you start creating good designs, good social media posts, then they're going to pay you that much money. And you can just simply go ahead and create hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and it'll work. It'll be like, $2, $3 per post. That's the cost that it would get. Maybe even $1 if you create like 20 posts. So yes, this is a tool. This is a business that I have for you. Moving on to the next one, we have explainer videos. Now, a lot of people are creating explainer videos, creating explainer YouTube videos. So over here, as you can see, people are charging $300, $5,000. I don't know what that guy's $5,000. That's like, but that's highly unlikely. That's the only guy that's like really pro. But people are charging hundreds of dollars. So you can easily create these types of videos. They're not really hard to make. And the AI tool that can help you do that is called Steve AI. Now, Steve AI is a online tool that can help you generate AI videos, and you can use it to, explain videos on different softwares or different issues, and it's all really, really good. And there is a pricing plan for this app as well. So let's get into that. So over here are the pricing plans. They're $15 per month, $45 per month, and $60 per month. So you can go ahead and choose whichever one you want. If you go with monthly, it's $20. But yeah, you can easily make $20 by using explainer videos, because people are paying up to hundreds of dollars for one video, guys, to keep that in mind. So you can create a good professional high quality video, and you can make easily thousands of dollars per month. And yeah, that's a good side hustle to have. Moving on to the third one. The third one, it's really popular nowadays, is called audio servicing. Now, a lot of people are creating podcasts, and they need audio guys to fix their audio. Sometimes, there are audio issues from the mic or from the computer, from the software, and they need some guys to, fix it, clear out all the noises from the background, from the glitches, from the mic, whatever it is. They need audio guys. So a lot of people are offering their audio services over here. Now, this is a little bit more on the lower side, but if you provide a good, decent service, then of course you can charge hundreds, even $500 for your gig, for your service. So keep that in mind. And the tool that you can use for that is called Adobe Podcast, and I'm sure you've heard about it. Was a big news when it launched, and it's one of the amazing tools that Adobe has, and it'll just elevate your game to the next level. And it's just amazing. It enhances your speech, it clears out all the background noises. So it's just really, really good. So I highly recommend you use this for your audio services if you planned on doing that. So these were the three business ideas that I have for you guys that you can start easily and scale it and earn thousands of dollars. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment sections what you think about it, and I will see you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.